All right, so now that we've learned about Ethers.js and how to do some more raw JavaScript coding, we're now going to move into Hardhat. We saw with our Ethers simple storage that deploying a contract can take a lot of code. And there's a number of things we didn't even do in here. Like we didn't save where this contract was deployed. So we'd have to go remember where it was deployed every time instead of having it just added programmatically. We didn't write any tests here and we'd have to build our own testing infrastructure. Maybe we want to make this a cross-chain application and we want more than just one private key and an RPC URL. You can absolutely work with your smart contracts in JavaScript purely through ethers and small scripts like this, but we want a more robust framework for doing all of this. And that's where Hardhat comes into play. Hardhat is easily one of the most, if not the most popular smart contract development framework out there. It's used by massive, several billion-dollar protocols like Aave, Uniswap, SushiSwap, and more. In fact, I recently did a poll on Twitter, and even though a lot of my content has been more Brownie and Pythonic, Hardhat was well and beyond the most popular framework. And Hardhat has quickly become one of the most advanced frameworks out there. Hardhat is a development environment, which allows for JavaScript-based development, kind of like what we saw with Ethers. It gives us even more tools to integrate our code with common things that we want to do. It's incredibly extensible, and it has really nice debugging features as well. And it's just an overall fantastic tool. So let's go ahead and let's jump in. If you want to follow along with the code, come over to the GitHub repo and scroll down. Lesson 6, Hardhat Simple Storage, and all the code is located here. And a quick note for the future, if ever you want to just download all the code from one of these repositories, the way you can do that is by doing a git clone. What you do is you come to the folder that you want to put this code in, and you run git clone, and then you grab the URL that you want to clone, paste it in. Now, you can cd into your new folder here that has everything downloaded directly from GitHub. But only do that as a backup or to just download the code yourself. But for now, just follow along with me. Right, so let's do this. Let's create our next project using Hardhat. The project that we're going to be making is called Hardhat Simple Storage-FCC, or Free Code Camp. This is going to be us working again with that simple storage contract, but in Hardhat, and we're going to show you a ton of the fantastic tools that we can use to make our coding life way easier.